head. You see the front of this hair, it's not looking gang like the thing big jabba jabba. What do? We are going to maintain it. So first of all, we are going to make a center part because now center part hair. So we do like this. I will spray my heat protectants. Make sure say you always spray your heat protectants before you put anything hot, okay? So my wax stick we follow. You pick from down, okay? My spray. My spirit holding spray. Let me begin to show you how to straighten your hair by your own self in your own comfort zone. As you can see, this is bone straight. Ungwanu, you understand me? First of all, make sure you comb the hair. And if you want to comb, make sure you are combing from the tip. Ungwanu, you understand me? So comb, baby. You can see this hair is not looking gangelized and it's bone straight hair. So let's straighten the life. You spray your heat protectants, okay? Spray around. Serum oil, 1 drop. 1 drop. Begin rub for the hair. To straighten your hair, we need to section her, okay? Spray another heat protector, so this will prevent that heat that is coming from your stretcher not to damage the hair, okay? Not cut too much. Then you comb through. This is a long hair, 26 inches bone straight. This is my stretcher on 200 degrees. So we are going to click this hair and this comb is going to direct it. Then we go. Make sure you are doing it slowly. Do it slowly. Go again. See the difference? Can you see? Very, very lightweight. Can you see that? Can your bone straight ever? Can your bone straight ever? Can you see the outcome of this bone straight? Can you see how sinking is looking? Can you see that? Looking gangelized, and this is on period. Only you want not get money to pay hairstylist. Only you want. Don't go fit come enter media. May you watch Catch Her Beauty World how she take the maintain her hairs. Just the play 2026 now one enter so now. So you go see they carry a yama tag her hair. They carry enter 2026. No. So all the products you see me use, everything is going to be available very soon. So you can purchase yours, so you can maintain your hair and you will avoid excuses. Ungwanu. Ungwanu, check out the outcome. What did I say? Check out the styling. Everyday styling. Everyday styling. Can you check it out? I hope you learned something. Everyday styling. Everyday styling. Can you check out? Check it out. Everyday styling. Check out Cinderella. Did you see how I style this hair? If you don't sabi maintain hair, not buy hair again. You hear me? Not buy hair if you don't know how to maintain it. Organity, you understand me? So So this is how to style, especially when you want to create a center part. This is how to style it. There's no big deal. Carry my videos, all the products I use to style this hair, everything will be available soon, so that you can buy your own and you will not have excuse of not styling your hair, of not maintaining your hair. Zungwanu. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, drop your opinion if this video was helpful to you. Of course, I'm going to see you guys in my next video.